Self-acceptance is a powerful practice that involves recognizing, embracing, and loving yourself for who you truly are, without judgment or criticism. It's about acknowledging and embracing your strengths, weaknesses, flaws, and imperfection as a unique individual. Self-acceptance is not about seeking validation from others or conforming to societal standards, but rather about finding peace and contentment within yourself. The first step towards self-acceptance is recognizing that nobody is perfect. We all have our strengths and weaknesses, and we make mistakes. Embracing your flaws and imperfections is an important part of self-acceptance. Instead of beating yourself up over your shortcomings, try to embrace them as a part of what makes you human and unique. It's okay to make mistakes and have limitations. Remember, it's not about being perfect, but about being authentically you. Learning to let go of the need for external validation. Seeking validation from others can be exhausting and lead to constant state of comparison and self-doubt. Instead, focus on validating yourself. Recognize your worth and value independent of what others think of you. You are worthy of love and acceptance just as you are, regardless of your achievements, appearance, and status. Comparing yourself to others is a common trap that can hinder self-acceptance. Remember that everyone has their own unique journey and struggles. Comparing yourself to others, it only leads to feeling of inadequacy and self-judgment. Instead, focus on your own progress and growth. Celebrate your achievements, big or small, and acknowledge your efforts. Embracing self-compassion is also essential in the journey of self-acceptance. Treat yourself with the same kindness, understanding, and forgiveness that you would offer to a loved one. Be gentle with yourself when you make mistakes and practice self-compassion in challenging times. Remember, you are your own best ally, and self-compassion can be a powerful tool in fostering self-acceptance. Self-acceptance also means setting healthy boundaries and honoring your authentic self. It's okay to say no to things that don't align with your values or make you uncomfortable. Prioritize your well-being and make choices that align with your true self rather than trying to please others. Self-acceptance is about recognizing your worth and value independent of external validation. It's about letting go of comparison, practicing self-compassion, and setting healthy boundaries. Embrace your uniqueness and remember that self-acceptance is a continuous process that requires patience, practice, and self-love. Embrace yourself just as you are and watch yourself thrive in a state of true self-acceptance. You are worthy and deserving of unconditional self-love and acceptance. Life is too short. Be happy and keep happy.